Hi, I'm Valentina, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you the main features of Peoplet Demo app, the second version, available at peoplet.io. After logging in with your demo credentials, you'll enter a simple organizational network with yourself at the center. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the How Use section, which contains all the keyboard shortcuts and quick commands used through the app. One important key to remember is Escape. Press Escape to close any open window and press it multiple times to return to the default view. In the top right corner, you'll find the several network analysis tools. These include centrality metrics that help identify important people in the network. Node strength, which measures how strongly a person is connected to others. Authority, PageRank, which measures influence within the network. And Bridge, between a centrality, which identifies people who connect different groups. You can also explore communities using two algorithms, Lewin community detection and label propagation. For each centrality metric, you can highlight the top 20% strongest users or the bottom 20% weakest users. Click once to highlight them and click again or press G to regroup them for an easier inspection. If you click a community button, your own community will be highlighted at the center. You can then zoom out to see how the entire network is divided into communities. While viewing the direct connections in My People, you can invite new users to the organization. Simply click on an empty area of the screen, enter a person's email address, assign a connection weight, and send the invitation. If the invitation is accepted, the user becomes part of the organization. You can also hover over the connections to view their current weights. Managing connections is simple. To edit the weight of an existing connection, select the connected user, press C or right-click, and choose Edit Weight. You can update the connection state at any time. To create a new connection, you select New User in the network, press C or right-click, and choose Connect. Then assign a connection weight. You can also find the shortest path to any person in the network. Hold the Control key and select on a user. The shortest path will be highlighted, and the list of people on that path will appear on the right side of the screen. This feature is closely connected to messaging, allowing you to quickly contact people along the path if needed. Messaging is integrated directly into the network. You can send a message by clicking on a user's email address or by selecting a user and pressing M. A small chat window will open, and you can expand it into a full messaging interface similar to WhatsApp, Viber, or other messaging tools. When you select a user, their profile information appears in the side panel. By default, this includes their first name, last name, birth decade, and location. You can expand the profile to view additional attributes. Clicking an attribute selects all users who share it. You can hold Control to select multiple attributes at the same time. Press G to regroup and center the selected users on the screen, making it easier to analyze groups of people with shared characteristics. If you'd like to create your own attributes, press Peoplet logo button on the left top. This opens the attribute graph, which displays relationships between different attributes. There are two main types of attributes. The first are Likert scale attributes, which use rating scales such as very low, low, medium, high, or very high. The second are skill and knowledge attributes, which allows users to rate their expertise, experience, or proficiencies in the specific areas. Any attributes created here become visible in each user's profile network view. You can return to the People network simply by clicking on the Peoplet logo. The calendar is located at the bottom left corner of the app. To schedule a meeting, double-click on a date, enter meeting details, add participants, and save the meeting. One useful feature is the ability to invite users based on a shared attribute. For example, if you select the attribute Consumer Support Department, all users who belong to that department can quickly be added to the invitation list, and the invitations will be sent automatically. Another feature, the Spreadsheet view, provides a complete overview of the network, including the full connection list, connection weights, as well as the network metrics for each user. Premium users have all the expert options for further analysis. Premium users can also access the AI assistant, which can answer questions such as who is my strongest connection, how can I reach a specific person, or what is the shortest path to another user. The AI assistant helps users better understand and navigate their organizational network. To learn more about Peoplet, click Who Made. This section links to the company website, where you can contact us through the contact form, send us an email, reach us via WhatsApp, or connect with us on social media. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy using Peoplet.